Barbecue bacon, hot dogs, loaded. Let's get into it right now. First off, we got the bacon. Nice hot pan. Let's get that bacon cooked up. Now I already got the hot dogs grilled on the pan because come on, let's be honest, you don't need to see me grill hot dogs. So right here, bacon's going, dogs are warm. Let's make this slow. We got our mayonnaise, garlic powder, onion powder, splash of apple cider vinegar. And we're just gonna mix that around. Slow is done. We're gonna take the bacon out of the pan, but we're gonna keep the fat. Let's finish up this sauce. Let's get that onion in the pan. Okay. We're gonna add in some thyme. We can pull that out later. 1 clove of garlic. 1 cup of ketchup. Molasses. Brown sugar. Cumin. Dry mustard. Let's give it a stir. Let this cook for about 5 minutes. Oh, that's fucking good. Let's toast up these buns. All right, so we got the buns toasted. Our dogs are already warm. Barbecue sauce is done. Slaw is done. We got the bacon. We got some crispy onion rings. Let's put it together. So that's it, barbecue bacon loaded dog. Shit, this is gonna get messy. Okay, hold on. Oh my God. Holy shit. Okay, the takeaway from this recipe, make your barbecue sauce. That is the best barbecue sauce, the crunchy onions. Guys, this is amazing. Go, bye.